Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled the deaths of devotees at Mahakumbh. He says the accident that happened in Prayagraj Mahakumbh is extremely sad. My deepest condolences to the devotees who have lost their family members in this. Along with this, I wish for the speedy recovery of all the injured. The local administration is engaged in all possible help to the victims. In this regard, I have spoken to Chief Minister Yogi Ji and I am constantly in touch with the state government. My deepest condolences, says Prime Minister Modi, to the devotees who have lost their family members in this, is what the Prime Minister has said in his first reaction on what has happened in Mahakumbh in the wee hours of this morning. Aishwarya, getting in more details at this point in time. Aishwarya, the Prime Minister has throughout the course of this whole morning spoken thrice, I understand, to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Of course, extreme concern and rightly so. It's something that for which a lot of planning was done, but the crowds have been unprecedented. It's not an easy crowd to handle, over 8 to 10 crore people. The Prime Minister has spoken about it now.
Well, we have seen, Sneha, not just once, but as you mentioned it, 3 times Prime Minister Modi has had a conversation with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Now, with regards to the number of devotees, we all know that this is the biggest gathering of those people who believe in the Sanatan Dharma. And with regards to today, very, very, crucial day today, most of the people wanted to take a dip in the Holy Sangam today. And that's the reason why that kind of rush was seen. And now Prime Minister has also, from what we know, spoken with some of those people who have unfortunately lost their near and dear ones. And we are seeing Prime Minister also expressing his grief with regards to those who have lost their lives. The administration on its toes now, Sneha. In fact, Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, has also made an appeal and he's requested people that wherever you are, you should take a dip there only. Do not run or do not try to reach those points which are already crowded, because that will lead to big mismanagement. Sneha.
Aishwarya, also give us a sense of what kind of relief, Aishwarya, what kind of relief one can expect as far as the kin of the people who've died is concerned, as far as ex gratia payments are concerned. Any more details on that as well?
Well, the government is looking at it, Sneha. At the moment, no amount is being looked at, because the administration and the UP government at the moment is making sure that these kind of instances do not take place the next 24 hours. Very, very crucial. That's the reason why we are seeing that in the hospital also, government officials are making rounds, making sure all those people who are badly injured, all of them are being taken care of. That's what the government at the moment is looking at, to make sure that all those who reach the hospital, they are taken care of. In fact, the central government now, in fact, Home Minister Amit Shah also spoke with Yogi Adityanath early in the morning and said that all the help that the state government needs, that will be given by the central government. With regards to the money, from what we understand, there are talks within the UP government, even within the central government. Some kind of ex gratia will be given, but the amount not decided yet. Sneha.
All right.